So you've finished editing your photo. You made it sure that all the fascinating details are showing. And when you posted it on social media, you were like,
What the Where are my details?
What's up YouTube, WhiteBeanieGuy here, and welcome to this video tips about basic color settings on your monitor or screen. If you're using a 13-inch MacBook Pro and you're extending it on another HD screen for the purpose that you want to be able to post-process using your Adobe Photoshop to see more details of your photos while editing on a bigger screen, that would be great, and you don't have to squint your eyes to look at it. But you know, for some reasons, not all extended monitors or screens have the same color calibration or profile. Some may be yellowish, some may be greenish, others may look reddish, and still others may be bluish. In this video tip, let me share with you the experience I had in editing one photo of a cosplayer. Here's a photo of a cosplayer named Kaylee. I took this photo during the Singapore Cosfest event in 2017, and my photo with her was pretty awesome. Adding to that, she's pretty awesome herself. However, to make it more dramatic, I decided to do more editing on her photo. So I did some post-processing by cleaning up the background, adding some light effects, highlighting her face a bit, adding a forest background, making the bright brighter and making the dark darker, sharpening the image, enhancing with curves, adding the sun rays of lights and bubbles. And when I saved it and posted it in my social media account, the image looks fine on my extended screen. But when I checked it out on my iPhone, it looks so dark on some areas of the photo, especially at the sleeves area of her black dress, and some of the details have been eaten by darkness. So I wondered what went wrong, because it looks fine on my HD screen, but on my MacBook screen and iPhone screen, it's darker. So I did some checking on my display settings, and then I found this out. The color display profile on my MacBook is different from the color display profile on my extended screen. Let me show you the settings. Let me click to this Apple logo and select System Preferences. Then click Displays, and you will see two windows popping up. Let me show it to you. So one for the MacBook screen and the other for the extended screen. Let me click on the color tab of each pop-up window and check out which display profile is selected. In my MacBook, the color display profile is color LCD, while in my extended screen, if you see this pop-up, it's selecting 2370. And as you may have not noticed, it's a bit bluish. No, okay, let's see about that. Now let me change the display profile of my extended screen to color LCD. And as you can see, it adopted the color display profile of my MacBook screen. And it's a bit yellowish. And if I select it back to 2370, you will now notice that it's a bit bluish. See, I told you. So all I need to do is to use the same color profile as my MacBook screen, and that should do the trick. Selecting it back, and ta-da! And it's fixed. My two screens are now in sync. My MacBook and extended screens are now using the same color display profile, but my photo is not yet fixed. Well, charge it to experience, it's already uploaded. But now that the colors of my two screens are in sync, I can now fix my photo to make it display properly on darker color display profile. Maybe for printing purposes, it should look nicer. So all I have to do now is adjust some settings on my image in Adobe Photoshop to work well on Apple Color Display Profile, that is MacBook and iPhone. So final food for thought. When you post-process your photo and you want it displayed properly and acceptable in any color profiles, and if you have the same case as mine, make sure you use color LCD. If you don't have this color profile, you can play around and try other color profiles that fits your needs. And there you go. Hope these video tips have helped you out. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Do comment below if you got something to say, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos coming up. Thank you for watching, guys. This is WhiteBeanieGuy. White's out. Okay, so let me finish this photo now.